Okay, you ready?
I guess.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the kitchen, kind of, the outside of it. And Merry Christmas to you all. Hope you're having a wonderful day. So this is my beautiful sister.
My name is Kat. Hello.
Alright, so today we are making a gingerbread house. But I told Katie to like kind of go ape with this. She could do whatever she wanted.
And not always a good idea.
So we spent like a lot of last night cutting out the shapes and coming up with what we're going to make today. It's not your average gingerbread house. Not at all. As you can probably maybe tell by black.
Yes.
Royal icing there. Alright, so we've got all of our bits here ready to assemble. And if you want to know what recipe I used to bake these, go and check out my tiny gingerbread house video, link down in the description below. Yeah, we're gonna get building this house. Show the base to the kids.
Wow! Ooh, a base.
Yeah.
Such a good sized cookie.
Also, there's some Ziploc bags over there if you want to try and do piping.
Is that how we're gonna do piping? Okay.
That's the only option I have. I will do. Okay.
That'll do, Bessie.
Alright.
Actually, I don't want to touch that because.
Yeah, let's leave it in the box.
Yeah.
Delicate. Okay, so how do we go about this, Katie?
I have no idea. Are we gonna decorate things before we stick everything together, or are we gonna stick everything together
I think we
and then get icing everywhere?
let's stick everything together. Because then we can wipe it off and then decorate. Unless we do just like simple decorations on them quickly, and then not like what I did with my little nozzles. Did all the way around. That was a bad idea. If we're gonna do all the way around, we can do that when it's up. Because otherwise you're just gonna get black icing all over your fingers when you're sticking it together.
Yes. Oh lord, this piping is gonna be so difficult.
That's why we have sticks!
How are sticks gonna help?
We can draw with them.
This is gonna take a million years.
Yes, it will.
Okay, let's stick it together. Let's build our house.
We're gonna build the house and then decorate.
Okay, so this is our base.
This isn't our base, this is the roof.
No, that's our base. We didn't have a roof.
We did, I thought we had a roof.
No, our roof was gonna, well, I suppose we could use it as a roof.
So like, what are these gonna stick to?
Biscuit.
This is scary.
It's not scary. It'll be fine.
I just thought
Be confident.
this was going on top.
Don't let the cookies know you're scared of them. They can smell fear. I'm not sure because this, like, the plat, if you have it at the bottom, you can stick the things to the side, which in my mind says structural stability. We need to figure, well, I suppose we don't. If we just put the cookie there,
here you go. Like,
then we have
here
enough
we've got
space.
these, so you know it. Whoops. Remember we got the moon. Where's the moon going?
I don't know, we have not planned this,
I
okay?
think the house is going to be a lot taller than the tree. We need to get the tree as close to the edge as possible.
Well, then maybe we, I don't,
Most delicate part of this whole process. What we could also do, because you know this isn't a square, we have our alignment.
Alright, so we're sticking the base over there.
What?
So tree where it is, like you said, so,
So if this is the
that's
back,
the
that's
front.
the front.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Alright, here you go.
What am I doing with this? Just
Just sticking it on there. It's glue. The least
Can
desirable.
I just do like a in the
Yeah,
middle?
yeah.
Or do I smush it?
You can smear it, you can just put a blob. It'll hold.
Okay, where?
Yeah, a little bit this way. This way? Yeah, that's good. Alright, let's give that a moment to stick there. I need a snack though.
One of these needs to be broken.
Oh yeah.
It's not doing it!
No! Snacks! Snacks! This is the best part of building gingerbread houses. The waiting!
What about these guys? Do we want to paint them?
Yeah, we can paint them.
Are they going to be black?
Do you want to outline them in black?
Just to make it more fiddly and time consuming.
Yeah, well, while we wait for that to happen.
What kind of outline are you doing? Okay, we're doing thick outlines then.
How are you doing such a tiny outline?
Tattooing. If I poke you in the eye, I am sorry. but this is a delicate, precision-based operation. I mean...
Perfect. That's so cute though.
How did this become even more difficult?
I thought I had the hard cat. I was wrong. Alright, my cat's done. This is where I drop it. Done.
Did you just use like the Wizard of Oz? Yeah, you see!
It's fine, look at it.
Amazing.
It's good.
Lucky!
It's all good.
Can't believe you dropped it. I mean...
That's adorable.
Cool.
I like it.
It's so far! Oh, yes!
Focus. Here we go. See, we got both cats digitally done. Snacks.
We can build the walls! Yes! So the plan, I assume we put some along here, stick, then we put some along here, and some along here, stick. Yep. So that's right.
Good plan.
One of us is gonna have to hold.
Delectable. Should we wait? I can outline the star in the meantime.
A few inches later.
I'm bored of this.
Wait, I just realized what I forgot to do.
Hey! Okay, you do whatever you were doing.
Okay.
I'm gonna carry on eating these things. I'm gonna build a house. I thought you were gonna come in here where I was working. I was gonna be like, hey!
Well, you started working there, so why would I do that?
I don't know. That works me. Go. That dude pig. Although, don't want it.
I don't know why I went to Jon Snow there.
Yeah.
Suspense.
We need more. Everything's wobbling.
Well, when it's all up together,
It'll hold. Stay together for the kids.
Later.
Alright, are we ready for the next one?
I guess.
Yeah, cool, let's do it.
12 seconds later.
I was like, are you eating the cookie? We need it! I absentmindedly licked my stick.
Oh no. I don't know, like it's standing up, yo.
That's awesome.
Just do the next one. Whatever. Goosey goosey.
Should I get a new stick?
Okay. Try not to mess it up, Sally.
Doing my best to do it right.
It's got a gap at the bottom. Okay, well, that's stuck.
Alright, shall I paint the inside of it? Any?
I'm sorry. No comprende. Can you please speak English?
I don't think I can.
Let's give them a minute.
Alright.
Just to settle into their new habitat.
Let's do that.
Become nice and comfy.
Do you
Let's
wanna-
see if this one will fit though?
Tempting feet.
I'm not. I am a cookie engineer. It will fit perfectly. My measuring skills were mad. What are we doing with this? With the tree?
Well, outline the tree.
No, because that won't help the disgraceful state that it's in. I see a burnt tree cookie and I want to paint it black. I'm just looking for things to do while we wait. I know. Break one of those cookies in half. Go.
Can't do it.
Can't
Too
do
weak! No! Too weak!
You can't break this cookie. What makes you think I can break this cookie? You're just giving it to me so I can make it. I will.
Do it.
Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Come on, thumbnails, do the job. Oh, oh.
Ah!
Too weak! My ass! It's a cookie! And that is how the cookie crumbles. Hey, but now we can do the thing!
The thing!
Woo!
The important thing. Yay. Does it fit?
It will!
Awesome.
Last one.
It's ready.
Well... Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. Oops, no, wait, it's come unhinged. So lunatic don't just around the children.
Fancy! It's standing. For now.
Let's hold this up.
Alright.
Hold this. Gently. Like I haven't.
I know. I'm putting my hand into the right place. Just all of the goo. all of the goo. It's nervous, love.
And I just have to wait. There's no trick around this. This is just as bad as the first wall. If not worse. Because it's a more You just let it go now, leaving me.
You've got it though.
I know.
I haven't been holding it.
There is no reason for you to hold it. I just wanted it to be a team effort so I didn't have to be bored by myself.
1 hour later.
I'm just gonna
Just
slowly
keep
lose
waiting.
my mind.
Just keep waiting.
What do? We wait! Christmas for kids is done.
Now it's time for metal Christmas.
Make it work, designers. I mean, look, now I don't know to touch it anymore. Don't!
Okay, yeah, it was a mistake.
Don't touch it!
2 hours later.
Is the art ready?
A chance! I told you they weren't ready. You fool! Don't risk another cookie.
It's the recon cookie.
That's why it had so much icing and why it needed a little longer to dry.
Shall we stick up the tree?
Yes. A battle to the death.
Paint the house. The roof. The moon.
The roof. The roof is on fire.
icing.
Scoop it. Just scoop it up and around. Seal all the crackles.
This looks kind of ridiculous. Right now. Right.
You look kind of ridiculous.
That's my everyday look.
Alright.
Alright, we're ready to do the roof.
Oh, give this a second. Just a second.
Just a little bit.
We can stick the cat onto the circle if you'd like.
Yeah, let's stick the cat onto the circle. Done.
Why does everything touch all apart?
I ask myself that every day.
Oh, it's so cute! It's gonna fall though, I can see it. I can see it leaning forward, very slowly. Or is it just my imagination? Oh, the spoon is moving, so maybe that's screwing with me. How are they more flings? The best magic trick I've ever seen.
I don't know what the plan is. Right, yeah. Neither of us have built a thing before. A gingerbread house.
Just like that. No, man. Come on. What? Like I'm trying so hard. I don't know what's happened, but would you like to finish it? No. I just wanted it to be like a little shoops. No, can't have that. Stop it. You're making me laugh, I blame you entirely.
Okay, it's all my fault.
Alright, now this guy. It's attached. It's attached!
Yeah, time to do the Rizzity roof, yo. Perfect.
Oh my god, Heather, grab the cookies quickly. Grab
Which ones?
all of them. Grab them.
Okay, I've got them.
Oh.
It's fine. We'll get her shorter. Hello, boobs.
What do we do?
I don't know.
More sticky stuff from the side where it's already pretty dry.
Are you just happy to be involved? Christmas cat.
Bad.
Oh, battery is dying. We might have to finish putting this together and come back to show you the final product, because I think my camera is literally about to die. And there's very little I can do about that because I don't have a backup battery. So when the camera dies, we shall see you in a ticky when this is finished being built. Cheeky little cat. We'll wait for it to die though. Ow, ow. Oops, what's happening? Oh, it's It's almost there.
I think I've got to let those ones dry now.
I've still got an awful lot of decorating and stuff to do. I think I'm gonna turn the camera off, charge this battery, and we will see you when this is completed. So, prepare for the glow up!
2,000 years later.
You can't see our faces, lean to the side. Alright, so it's done. It's completed. The day has passed and it is now late at night. It was the night before Christmas. Except it's Christmas Day today, so Merry Christmas! We're exhausted because this has taken a long time. And you'll see why. Because I'm incredibly flipping proud of what we have made. It's amazing. I'm hyping this up too much. Alright, but are you ready for the amazingness that is the gingerbread house that we just made? Keep in mind, neither of us have ever made a gingerbread house before. Like those teeny tiny ones I made, they do not count. This is a gingerbread house for realsies and it's amazing. Alright, you ready? 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 Ta-da! Look at it! Look at how amazing it is! What?
We made a thing out of cookies!
But there you have it. This incredible little gingerbread house. I flipping love it. It's weird and wonderful and amazing.
Yeah.
Like,
it's unique.
and like, oh, like the fact that we got the star to sit up here, who knows? The fact that we got the house to sit up here, who knows? The fact that we got the moon to balance over here, magic. That is that for today. I'm gonna take some close-up shots of this beautiful, beautiful beastie for you. Of all the little details, like the little snowflakes around the house. Man, I'm gonna love it.
Wait, are you too much?
Way too much. So that is all for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let us know what you thought about it down in the comment section below, and if you would like to support my sister, go and check her out on Instagram. Here is her tag down there, down below. And yeah, if you want to support me in this channel, please subscribe. Have a very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, yo.
And I'll see you in the next one.
And as they sat there, they felt themselves aging, getting older. The years passed so slowly, so full of boredom. And eventually one day there came a knocking on the door. And who was it, pray tell? It was Death. As he hauled them off to the afterworld, they stole a quick last glance, and what did they see? The cookie! Falling apart, for it had still not dried.